The secret of the car is finally revealed. Are you curious about how a reliable car is created from scratch and perfectly? Today, we will take you to uncover the secrets behind Dongfeng Liuzhou automobile manufacturing and explore the wonderful fusion of craftsmanship and technology. Everything starts with design. At Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor, the story of each car begins with the interweaving of rigorous design and innovative inspiration. Engineers use leading technology and precise data to outline every detail and provide drivers with the ultimate experience. Efficient automated production lines are the core of automobile manufacturing. Every machine and every process is precisely calculated and closely monitored. Advanced robotics technology enables zero-error assembly. Every screw and every component is rigorously tested to ensure excellent quality. While intelligent production is in progress, the spirit of craftsmanship runs through the entire process. Our technicians insist on manually inspecting every key part and strive to achieve the utmost precision just to ensure the reliability and safety of every car. Color gives a car a soul. We use environmentally friendly high-precision spraying technology to not only give the car a dazzling appearance, but also provide long-lasting protection so that your car will still be dazzling after years. Whether it is shining in the sun or tough in the rainy night, it can radiate a different brilliance. The promise of quality needs to be verified through practice. Every car must undergo rigorous road testing, whether it is a rugged mountain road or a slippery track. And every time the car drives, it is full of confidence. This is not just a car, but also a reliable partner for every family and business. From comfortable interior design to efficient power system, we are committed to bringing a safe, comfortable, and intelligent driving experience to every user. Behind every car is the crystallization of countless wisdom and sweat, and it is a commitment and trust to every user. Dongfeng Liuzhou Motor makes the road to dreams wider and the future within reach. Want to know more exciting stories? Follow us, explore the secrets of car manufacturing, and start your own driving journey.